Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 20, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. 10th row, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells, we'll confirm later. Column E, 9th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells, we'll confirm later. 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in another cells, we'll confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in another cells, we'll confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 3. 10th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 will come in another cells, we'll confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 4. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in another cells, we'll confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in another cells, we'll confirm later. Column E, we have 4. 7th also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 will come in another cells, we'll confirm later. Third row, second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column J, second row, fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 3. Fifth row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 1. Second row, fourth row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, it will come in another cells, we'll confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in one of the cells, we'll confirm later. Column J, third row and fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then the column H, only 1 number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. Column F also we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, the 8 is confirmed here. Then we will confirm 5 also here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Then column E, only one number remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then the column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 5th row, 6th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row or 4th row, we have 6. That grid also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 6th grid. Column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. Column C, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 5. 6th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 2nd grid, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.